Grand Rising. I am Dr. Clea Etheridge, and I come to you today in a beautiful, blissful, peaceful environment in my yard. I am so thankful and grateful for the space that I'm in life, mentally, physically, emotionally. I'm on my cowgirl stuff today. I really love this cowgirl hat. But had a couple things on my mind. I just wanted to speak a little piece for this day. So we sit and think that we're so grateful and thankful that we have the spaces that we have and the homes that we have to live in and to cover us. These homes are only meant to shield us from the elements outside, but we're meant to have our bodies outside in the elements, enjoying the green